Bees are among the most fascinating creatures on Earth. From the outside, a beehive may look like just another part of nature, but inside it is a buzzing metropolis, a perfectly organized society where every bee has a role to play. Each hive functions like a miniature kingdom, with thousands of individuals working together in harmony. But how does this incredible system work? How do bees communicate, build their homes, and produce the golden nectar we all love? Let's take an in-depth journey inside the world of bees and uncover their amazing secrets. Inside the hive, we find one of the most remarkable natural architectures, thousands of hexagonal cells, each serving a unique purpose. These honeycombs store honey, pollen, and even the next generation of bees. But why hexagons? It turns out that bees are brilliant engineers. The hexagonal shape allows them to store the most honey using the least amount of wax, making their structure both strong and efficient. Scientists have studied honeycombs for years, and engineers even use the same design principles in modern construction. At the center of the hive is the queen bee, the mother of the entire colony. She is the only bee capable of laying eggs, and in a single day, she can lay up to 2,000 eggs. That's more than her own body weight. But the queen isn't just a mother, she is the leader of the hive. By releasing powerful pheromones, she controls the behavior of worker bees and ensures that the hive remains unified. The entire colony depends on her survival, and without a queen, the hive would collapse. While the queen may be the ruler, the real power lies with the worker bees. These female bees dedicate their short lives, just a few weeks, to keeping the colony running. Their first job as young bees is cleaning the hive and feeding the larvae. As they grow older, they become builders, producing wax and constructing honeycombs. Finally, in their last stage of life, they take on the most dangerous task, leaving the hive to collect nectar and pollen from flowers. These workers fly miles every day, visiting thousands of flowers to ensure the survival of the colony. While worker bees perform all the tasks inside the hive, the drones, the male bees, have a single purpose: to mate with a queen. Unlike workers, they do not collect nectar, build, or defend the hive. Instead, they spend their lives eating and waiting for the perfect moment to fly out and find a queen to mate with. But their role is short-lived. After mating, drones die instantly, and those that don't mate are expelled from the hive before winter. Their sacrifice ensures the continuation of the bee population. Unlike humans, bees don't have words. Instead, they communicate through an extraordinary dance, the waggle dance. When a worker bee finds a good source of nectar, it returns to the hive and performs a dance that tells other bees the exact direction and distance of the flowers. This unique language of movement allows bees to work together with incredible precision, ensuring the entire colony thrives. Honey production is an intricate and time-consuming process. Worker bees collect nectar from flowers and store it in their special stomachs. Once they return to the hive, they pass the nectar to other bees, who chew it and mix it with enzymes. Then they deposit it into honeycomb cells and fan it with their wings to remove excess moisture. Over time, the nectar thickens into the golden, delicious honey we all enjoy. A single bee produces only about a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime, but together, the colony can create pounds of honey every season. A beehive is always under threat. Wasps, birds, and even bears seek to steal honey. That's why some worker bees take on the role of guards. They patrol the entrance and attack any intruders. But their stinger is a weapon of sacrifice. When a bee stings, it loses its stinger and dies shortly after. This ultimate act of selflessness ensures the safety of the hive. Bees do more than make honey. They are responsible for pollinating 1/3 of the food we eat. Without them, many fruits and vegetables would disappear. But today, bee populations are declining due to pesticides, habitat destruction, and climate change. If we want to protect our planet, we must protect the bees. Bees are tiny, but their impact is enormous. Now that you know how they work, let's do our part to protect them. Support bee-friendly initiatives, plant flowers, and spread awareness. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more amazing nature stories.